Hi guys, it's me Sylvia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have this super easy and really cute headband. So let's get started. For this video, you will need a cotton yarn. I'm using cotton yarn again. Also, you will need a pair of scissors and I'm using 2.5mm hook. So we are going to start with the slip knot first. Super easy slip knot. And then we will chain 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Once you've done your 40 chains, you will need 4 more. So we're gonna chain 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and from the 4th one, of course, I'm holding my finger here, but you can count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 4th one from your hook, you are going to do a double crochet. So you're gonna yarn over, insert your hook into that 4th one, yarn over again, pull through 2 and pull through 2 again, and you create your ring where we're going to create our petals. So once we've done our first ring, we are going to work our petals. So we will need to chain 2, 1 and 2, and now we are going to do a double crochet, 2 double crochet inside this ring. So we're gonna yarn over and insert your hook in the circle, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2, and pull through 2 again, like so. And then we are going to chain 2, 1, 2, and now we are going to slip stitch inside this ring here. So we are going to slip stitch down like so, slip stitch, and tighten your slip stitch a little bit, and we have created our first petal, and we will need 5 of these. So we are going to do exactly the same. We are going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and do exactly the same. You can move your stitches aside a little bit, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, and again yarn over, insert your hook inside the circle, pull through 2 and pull through 2, and then again we are going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and now there is a bit tricky part. Oh, first you're gonna slip stitch here, slip stitch like so, and we have our first 2 petals. It's not that tricky part, but this is in the way, so we can skip this and move this string or chain aside. I'm gonna start here. So we're gonna chain 2 again, 1 and 2, and we are going to yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2 again, and again yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2 again, and then chain 2, 1 and 2, and slip stitch inside the ring. Move your stitches aside like so, and we're gonna do exactly the same again. Chain 2, and we need 2 more petals. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2, chain 2, 1 and 2, like so, and slip stitch inside the ring. And we need one more petal, 1, chain 2, 1, 2, move your stitches aside, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals, really cute ones. So we have our first flower. Okay, so now after our first flower is finished, we will have to chain 2. So between our flowers will be always 2 chains, like so. So we chain 2, and now we need to chain 4 again for our ring. So we need to chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and from the 4th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, we are going to do exactly what we did on the beginning. So we're gonna do a double crochet into the 4th stitch from your hook, double crochet like so, and we create our second ring for the next flower. Super easy. So now we need to chain 2 as we did before, and we're gonna do exactly the same. We're gonna do double crochet again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over again, insert your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, and chain 2, 1 and 2, and slip stitch. And we are going to chain 2 again, 1 and 2, and our next petal. So yarn over, insert your hook in the ring, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, pull through, oops, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 2, 1 and 2, and slip stitch again inside the circle like so, tighten, and we're gonna do exactly the same, chain 2 again, 1 and 2, insert your hook, oops, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, oh no, I'm gonna fix it later. Okay, yarn over, insert your hook like so, chain 2, and now where is our chain? We are going to first slip stitch, finish this petal, and then chain 2, 1 and 2, and put this little chain of 2 aside and create our petal behind that chain like so, so it's not in the way. 1 and 2, and again yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 2, 1 and 2, slip stitch, tighten it, and chain 2 again, 1 and 2, double crochet, and again one more, chain 2, 1 and 2, 1 2 3 4 5, and slip stitch, and slip stitch. Super easy and super cute headband. And we are going to do exactly the same, and you can do as many flowers as you want. Just carry on with the same pattern. Chain 2, 1 and 2, and then chain 4 for the ring. So 1 2 3 and 4, yarn over, do double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So 1 2 3 4, and do a double crochet like so, and carry on as many flowers, create as many flowers as you wish. It can be 3, it can be just 1, or it can be 10 if you wish so. Okay dokie, so I'm finishing my 3rd flower and the last petal, so I need one more double crochet here, chain 2, chain 2 and slip stitch like so. And that's it really about this headband. All you're gonna do now is just to chain 40 again, or even longer if you want to have a longer chain. Just don't forget to tidy up your ends as always. Do a knot, or if you have the beads, can add the bead. It looks really cute when you add the beads. And cut it off, and your headband is finished. One is not the other side. I just wanted to show you how can you easily finish it like so. Thank you very much for watching.